Are you ready to unleash the power of artificial intelligence and take your creativity to unimaginable heights? Get ready for a mind-blowing adventure as we delve into the world of AI-generated short-form content. For this video, we will be using QuickVid. Here, I'm just going to go and create an account for QuickVid, enter my email. Check my email for the sign-in link. Alright, so this is the QuickVid interface. I'm going to name my profile. New video. Alright, so most of my short form content, I like using quotes, motivational quotes. So for this project, we will be using one of my favorite quotes. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. As you can see, I get most of my ideas from Pinterest. All I'm doing is just searching what I'm looking for, and boom, millions of ideas. Use the script generation prompts to generate an initial script for your video. Alrighty. Copy and paste the below prompts into ChatGPT to instantly create a script that is ready for use in QuickVid. So I'm still fairly new to using ChatGPT. I've only been using it for a couple of months now, so please bear with me. I've never seen any prompt like this before. I think I'm actually going to save this for later use, just in case if I need it. Picasso once said, "Good artists copy, great artists steal." Alright, let's see how good this prompt is. Here I'm just tweaking a few words. I'm going to fast forward a bit because it took me a while to get the right script for my liking.
A few moments later.
Alright, I think I've got it. Let's copy and paste it to QuickVid. Click continue. So guys, I think I made a mistake by including the line number with the script.
No shit.
So we are going to redo the script. Sorry about that. Let me fast forward. Alright, so this should be good. Let this load up. tweak the settings for your liking, and you can choose a female avatar or a male avatar, but I'm just going to use no avatar. Preview it. There are 5 default background video that you can choose from, or you can upload your own, and you can generate as well. I think I should go with the nature according to the title of the content. Also for background audio, I'm probably gonna go with time, as it matches the theme to the title. If you made it this far and found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If not, please leave it in the comment which areas I can improve on. Also, please subscribe to my channel as we set on this journey to success together. Thank you for watching.